A field that requires creativity, innovation, and a keen eye for details is the field of fashion designing. If you are interested in designing the next popular trend in fashion, coming up with a new design for everyday clothing, or have a creative mind to transform humans through clothing and accessories, then following a career as a fashion designer might just be right for you. Fashion designing, as the name suggests, provides aspirants with a platform to bring life to their fashion ideas. Through sketching, cutting, sewing, and correctly fitting the clothing material to the right specs, a fashion designer is able to bring life to new, innovative, creative, and popular trends in the fashion industry. Numerous universities and educational institutions in India offer bachelor's, master's, diploma, PG diploma, and certificate courses that qualify you to start your career in fashion designing. Some of these courses include Bachelor's in Fashion Designing, Bachelor's in Jewelry Design, Master's in Fashion Design, Master's in Textile Management, Diploma in Fashion Design, Diploma in Fashion Accessories, and Diploma in Fashion Marketing, among others. If you plan to pursue a career in fashion designing, then you can apply to a number of colleges such as National Institute of Design, Pearl Academy, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Symbiosis Institute of Design, Vogue Institute of Fashion Technology, and many more. Creativity, good sketching skills, ability to create new ideas, a keen eye for details, good communication skills, and determination are some of the key skills to becoming a fashion designer in India. The industry of fashion designing requires different types of fashion designers. Some of the fashion designer profiles include fashion coordinators, fashion consultant, fashion stylist, textile designer, fashion journalist, makeup artists, retail managers, and more. Fashion design graduates will be able to find job opportunities in a number of sectors in the fashion industry, such as media houses, corporate organizations, textile mills, garment stores, private fashion designing companies, consulting firms, and more. Starting a career path in fashion designing can be lucrative in terms of the salary you receive. However, your salary will heavily depend on your job profile, experience, and qualifications in the field. Fashion design graduates, depending on their profile, can earn anywhere between 1,50,000 to 2 lakh per year initially. A fashion designer graduate in the middle of their career can earn anywhere between 3,50,000 to 5,50,000 per year. A senior in the industry can earn anywhere between 6,50,000 to 12 lakh per year. If you wish to learn more about this career, then visit our website at www.collegedekho.com/careers/fashion designer.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.